Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make your own distilled water on your stove, grill, or campfire. Distilling your water is really the best way to clean and purify your drinking water to keep it free from bacteria, unwanted minerals, pesticides, etc. So here are the basic needs to make distilled water. Large pot, a lid for the pot that is curved on the top because we will be turning this upside down. The water droplets will form and fall into your bowl. Glass, ceramic, Corningware, heat-safe bowl. Obviously the bowl must be smaller so that it can fit within the pot itself. You'll also need ice cubes. I'll show you why later. First, fill the large pot partly full of water. Then set the collection bowl in the pot. Set the pot lid upside down on the pot. Turn on the heat for the pan. The water needs to get very hot, but it's okay if it doesn't boil. Now put ice cubes on top of the lid of the pot. The cold helps condense the steam into liquid water. When complete, turn off the heat. Let the pot cool down for a little bit, and then carefully remove the bowl of distilled water. There you go, ready to drink.